These have gotta be the most hype Yeezy release for the month, and they're finally here. What's going on, everybody? JA. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a detailed look at the upcoming Yeezy foam runner, Sulfur. So it looks like everybody's favorite Yeezy model is back. The foam runner is making its return coming up this Friday, April the 22nd. The Sulfur colorway will be releasing in full family sizing. So adult sizes start at $90, kids at $70, and infants coming in at $50. So before unboxing this pair, I was anticipating a colorway very similar to the ochre previously released foam runner colorway, but then once in hand, noticed that they were a lot more yellow than I assumed, almost like a supermoon yellow foam runner colorway. So here you have the ochre versus the upcoming Yeezy foam runner, and you guys can see the noticeable differences. This pair is a little slightly more yellow, while this one you have a more golden shade of a brown. So on top of the Sulfur colorway, which is releasing this Friday, according to my sources, we're also supposed to be getting a restock of the previously released Yeezy foam runner, Stone Sage. Now, fun fact, depending on where your foam runner was produced, whether it's the US or China, you'll have a slightly different shade of brown on your Yeezy foam runner box. Now, when you get into the Stone Sage pair, they're more of like a grayish type of pair. You'll notice a faint MX swirl pattern. This pair is manufactured in China versus your upcoming Sulfur colorway, which is a US made product. Now, in the unfortunate case that you've never been able to get your hands on a pair of one of the most comfortable Yeezy models, I would say for sizing that the Yeezy foam runner just about runs true to size, but unfortunately they make it a little difficult because they do not come in half sizes. The foam runner only comes in full sizes, so if you're one of those people that fall in between half sizes, it's a no-brainer to just go ahead and half size up. Now, if you're considering going up a full size for the Yeezy foam runner, just be aware that you may suffer from heel slippage on the back. So the fact that these are fun to wear, stylish, as well as comfortable, it's a no-brainer that the Yeezy foam runner is one of the most popular Yeezy releases on the market. So let me know which colorway you guys are going for this Friday. Are you rocking with the Stone Sage or the Sulfur colorway? Now, the Yeezy foam runner is very difficult to cop for retail, so I suggest you guys enter as many raffles as possible. Make sure you guys check out YeezyInfluence.com for your go-to guide on where to buy the Yeezy foam runners. Be on the lookout for the confirmed raffle, which should pop up later this week. Now, in terms of the future for the Yeezy foam runner, after the Onyx colorway, which is dropping this summer, it looks like Yeezy doesn't have any plans to drop any more colorways for the rest of 2022. Now, I'm not sure if that is 1000% sure, but of course, as always, I'll keep you guys updated if plans change. So we're gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this upcoming Yeezy release. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.